Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy, this is one of our repeat customers who's got a bad case of hair greed, but we got a hold of this fellow and his two brothers 7 years ago, maybe?
A little bit more, probably.
A long time ago,
yeah.
when he came in looking like this. And he had been done twice by two different competitors, one a big chain and one an independent office. And he just wanted his hairline made better. And so we did a strip case on him, and then I think at some point we tweaked a little. We did a scar revision on him, and this is what he looks like now. That's pretty good, right?
Yes.
I would pose to you, the audience, where should you put more hair on that guy?
Well,
and the answer is where he wants it. All right, we're here with Steve, who's been here a lot of times, and he is the most self-conscious guy about his head ever, and that is an awesome bunch of hair. I bet, do women just reach up and grab that thing, Steve?
Oh yeah.
Randy, take home with
Too often.
He's like, don't touch it. He's like, I'll lose a hair.
Yeah. Steve, I've always been pretty upfront with you.
Yeah, always.
Okay, and I know you got done a couple places before you got here, and is that less of a shyster than some of those guys were?
Oh, way less. I'm trying. Less of a shyster. There you go.
Yeah. All right. Anything you want to tell somebody who might be watching this video, and I don't have your face.
It's absolutely worth it. Go ahead and do it.
Okay, man. Thanks. And so we just did 449 FUEs on him last week. And so we'll see in a year and a half whether there's any clinical difference. He's one of our regular customers, and his brothers are, and we certainly didn't talk him into doing another case. In fact, we tried to talk him out of doing it.
We always do. We always talk him out of doing something. He always wants to do something.
But in summary, in this little video, is 1 week pretty good at fixing hairlines. He went from here to there, and we still see a lot of guys with hair greed.
Yes.
And,
well, I think it's those that have like just this much of hair loss.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they just keep wanting to tweak it.
Uh-huh.
And he's got a good-looking girlfriend, so it's not a problem with that. So
He just likes his hair.
He does. He likes his hair. So if we can help you, either because of hair greed or because of needing repair, please give us a call. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. Thanks.